Hey guys, for this video we have our first nature hummingbird feeder, and we are going to make some nectar to put in the feeder to attract our hummingbirds. It's a really great design, has 10 ports at the bottom. You just unscrew it like so, and then we can fill up the container, nice wide mouth, with our nectar. Now this is a 32-ounce container, and for this video we are going to make the nectar, and all you need is regular sugar, just sugar, and water. We're going to heat it up, mix it up, and then let it cool and get it back in the hummingbird feeder. So we're going to start out with 16 ounces of water. 1/6 ounces of water. And we are going to use one half cup of sugar, half cup. We're going to go heat this up and give it a little stir. Turn this guy on and give it a little stir. Another thing worth mentioning is hummingbirds are really attracted to the color red. That's why you'll see most of their feeders are red to help attract them. A lot of times the nectar will also be red to help, attract them again. So if you want, you can add red food coloring to your nectar. It's not mandatory or required, but you can. Now that our sugar has all dissolved, I'm going to turn it off, give it some time to cool, then we will pour it right into our First Nature hummingbird feeder. All cooled down, time to fill our First Nature hummingbird feeder with our delicious nectar. Delicious. Now you'll notice we're not filling it up all the way, just because I don't want to waste it if they don't go for it. We'll screw the lid on here and give it a flip. Boom. Look at it go. Look at it go. We got all the nectar. All of it. Now all we have to do is hang it up and wait for the birds. Birds?